for more on that. But expect this to, in fact, continue as far as the acrimony is concerned from within the assembly and outside, as we saw many of these MLAs are marshalled out now. Sitting on a dharna is Atishi, former Chief Minister. AAP has not commented yet on the findings of the Comptroller and Auditor General. These reports, remember, were to be tabled in the assembly previously when the AAP was in power, but that had not happened. On your screens right now, pictures are from outside the assembly where Atishi along with the other MLAs who have been marshalled out by the speaker are protesting. Shreya is back with us. Shreya, you telling us about the fact that the AAP continues to protest in spite of clarifications. Of course, this is a political narrative that the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to bring, that the BJP is against Baba Saheb and Bhagat Singh, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. I've asked these questions to the MLAs that I got to speak with. I'll put forward the question once again. But, they're not responding. They constantly harp कि आप आइए हमारे साथ photos नहीं है. But the photographs that the BJP issued clearly shows that both B.R. Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh's photos still continue to be in the office of the Delhi Chief Minister. Despite that, the ruckus continues. You see, they are sitting in front of B.R. Ambedkar's statue inside the assembly. Clearly, it's a diversion tactics as well amidst the CAG report being tabled, which essentially is a dent against the Aam Aadmi Party. They do not really want that essentially to be the only focus, is why this attack against the Bharatiya Janata Party, trying to label them as anti-Dalit. That is exactly what you're seeing with Atishi and all the MLAs who are right now sitting here in front of B.R. Ambedkar's statue, Sneha.
All right. Pictures right now from the assembly where the confrontation between the BJP government and the Aam Aadmi Party, now in opposition, continues. Atishi, the former Delhi Chief Minister, is protesting. What next, Shreya? Given that this is one report that is being tabled today. Apart from that, there are many others that the BJP government has promised to table. An action which they say was long overdue.
But Sneha, if the first day of the session of a tabling of a report is seeing such a ruckus, we can only guess that the rest of the reports will actually be seeing a very similar response. The response, I think, unlikely will be changing because the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to also be at the top of the attack. They are not the ones who want to be at the receiving end, and that's clearly the messaging of the Aam Aadmi Party camp. They are constantly harping and attacking the BJP. Right now, they are just sloganeering, not taking in any questions, essentially, so far as the responses on the part of the BJP is concerned.
All right. The Aam Aadmi Party is now protesting, sitting right at the in fact, in the Delhi Assembly, the premises of the Assembly, shouting slogans against the BJP government. The protest to Tel Aviv was started after allegations are made that when Atishi had gone to meet the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, the portraits of B.R. Ambedkar, they say, and of Bhagat Singh were removed. The AAP says that this is not something that's going to be tolerated. The BJP, of course, has now put out pictures as well, saying that it's far from the truth. Today, the Comptroller and Auditor reports on the liquor policy scam is what is going to be tabled in the Assembly. Shreya continues to be with us. Shreya, it's not just one report, but several. Talk to us a little about the disbursal of money in various schemes of the previous Aam Aadmi Party government that the CAG has found holes in.
Well, there are CAG reports on the liquor policy audit, on GST irregularities, on subsidy scholarship distribution. So there are anomalies at least on 14 different criteria that have to be tabled in the Assembly one by one. All of them will be laid in the House is what the BJP has very essentially cleared. A response of that is this, where we see the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs constantly suggest that B.R. Ambedkar has been insulted. It is an anti-Dalit messaging from the Bharatiya Janata Party. This despite the BJP putting a photograph that Baba Saheb Ambedkar's photo still hangs inside the room of the Delhi Chief Minister. Despite that clarification, the visual hasn't really changed and you see them protesting. I will take this question to them as well. Sir, आप लोग जो यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, सर एक सेकंड, आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, बीजेपी ने फोटो तो जारी कर दी कि B.R. अम्बेडकर की फोटो है अभी।
एलओपी एड्रेस कर रही है।
आप नहीं बोलेंगे?
2 मिनट, एलओपी एड्रेस कर रही है।
अभी तो वो बयान नहीं दे रहे, आप बस ये बता दीजिए फोटो आपने नहीं देखा बीजेपी से?
2 मिनट।
So they're unresponsive. They do not want to give a response on the fact that BJP has already given a clarity, issued a photograph showing that B.R. Ambedkar's photo constantly hangs in the assembly. So we tried to get the response not just from one, from multiple Aam Aadmi Party MLAs. They are refusing to answer on the clarification. They are only sloganeering here in front of the B.R. Ambedkar statue.
Getting in those details, the Aam Aadmi MLAs were sitting on a dharna there, refusing to talk to Shreya when she is asked specific questions about the fact that the BJP has clarified that the portraits of B.R. Ambedkar and of Bhagat Singh were not removed, is what the BJP has said. In the clarification, I'll go back to Shreya. For more on that, Shreya, they're refusing to comment on what the BJP has said in answer to their allegations, isn't it?
Yes, I'll take the question once again. Sir, कल भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने फोटोग्राफ जारी कर दी है कि B.R. अम्बेडकर की फोटो अभी भी है सीएम के घर रूम पे।
फोटो हमने भी जारी की थी कल। कहाँ लगा हुआ था बाबा साहब?
लोगों ने एक दीवार की करी थी, उन्होंने पूरी जो कक्ष, पूरा जो सीएम कक्ष है उसका किया, उसमें दिख रहा है B.R. अम्बेडकर की फोटो।
जस्ट पीछे जहाँ बाबा साहब का फोटो था वहाँ नरेंद्र मोदी जी का फोटो लगा दिया गया।
गांधी जी का भी फोटो है।
लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी जी का फोटो बाबा साहब पर लगा देना क्या भारतीय जनता
जगह
पार्टी
बदलने के लिए प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ना कि
बाबा साहब के फोटो हटाकर वहाँ नरेंद्र मोदी का फोटो लगाने का विरोध कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा, तो right now the statements have changed. What they're saying is that it's not about the photo being removed, but the fact that why Ambedkar's photo was removed and Narendra Modi's photo has been put in place. So a little bit more clarity on the protest point. It's not about B.R. Ambedkar's photo being removed from the room. It's about why was Narendra Modi's photo placed at the position where B.R. Ambedkar's photo was.